In this video, I'm going to show you how to take out your SIM card on iPhone 11. Okay, on your iPhone 11, on the right bottom you can see the SIM slot right here. You just need a SIM ejector tool like this. If you missed your Apple SIM ejector, no problem, you can use any brand because it is just a piece of metal. You don't need to worry about much. Okay, I recommend first put your iPhone to aeroplane mode. Just swipe down and turn on aeroplane mode. No need to turn off your iPhone. Just put aeroplane mode, that's enough. Now just hold like this and insert this ejector tool on this hole. Just like that, and push a little bit. That's it. Now remove like this. Yeah, that's it. And if you want to know how to put the SIM card properly on iPhone 11 means watch this video.